Welcome back to the channel. Another swap meet find, the Ferrari 550 Maranello. I think that's the city where they actually make the Ferraris. So 1/16 drill bit to make the pilot hole. Number 29 drill bit to remove the mushroom post. Nice and simple. Only one post in this car. The back of the car hooks with the exhaust and the license plate. Red interior. I believe this gray version is like the third variation. We're gonna change everything up. So according to Google, Ferrari made a little more than 3,550 Maranellos. Here I'm doing a number 50 drill bit to enlarge the hole for the 256 button head screws, or screw, only one. 256 bottoming cutting tab. Nice and simple. I have this car for a few months now. I have made multiple videos on how to fix the body lines, because the door lines were pretty much they were bad. They weren't good. So you can check my shorts. Well, I think there's a full video about that. That's a 256 by 1/8 button screw. Double checking. That it goes in all the way. So now I'm going to use a Dremel cutting disc to remove the axles. This is kind of dangerous, so do not try at home or try at your own risk. What I do is I cut past the axle, and then I find that I can just push that little piece of metal back and the axle will come out. Like so. Sometimes it's easier than others, so once you do that, it could come out. Sometimes the little piece of metal breaks because it ends up being too thin. So Ferrari made this car in red, yellow, gray, and green. So that's before fixing the body lines, the door lines. So let's jump onto the final product. And there it is, the final product. I don't know exactly how many of them were made in green. I'm talking about the real one. Hot Wheels didn't make it green. They only made it red, silver, black, yellow, and I think there's a metal flake too somewhere around there, but none of them in green. I really liked how it ended up looking. So let me stop this. Hand painted the headlights. I did all the water slides. Look at that horsey. Hand painted the tail lights. Pledge dipped the windshield. Modern rear riders 256 button head screw, 550 Maranello. Maranello is the city where they make the Ferraris, in case you didn't know. I really like how this one turned out. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? I'll take a picture to leave it here at the end of the video. Peace out.